Yes, Alia. Welcome back to the channel. Well, let's see. We're gonna do a little cooking this morning. I haven't used my grill in a while. A homemade grill. That I just clean it out a little bit. Nice. Finished cleaning both sides. Now it's on the top. So guys, this is a karim that I converted into the grill. As you can see, this is half inch steel, rounded by a 1/4 inch, and the handle move. Handle could remove. You can see. Place it back. Also, for any adventures other than home, the rim could remove from the stem, and there you have it. Go and get my coals and my firewood, and we're gonna light it up. Stay tuned. Yeah, people, coals finished, so it's firewood enclosed this morning. So one of my source of lighting the fire is coconut husk, and later on you would see my secret ingredients light it even faster. There it is, guys. Sugar. Nothing can beat sugar. You know they say when you see smoke, fire coming after. So it's going to come up just now. Yes, I left fire. Yes, I have my 2 baigan here, as you can see. They already washed. 2 nice red pepper and a handful of garlic that goes into the baigan. So now I will be making some incision in the baigan, that is to put the garlic. So while the baigan is cooking, the garlic would be cooking also. Nice. So I'm gonna place my garlic into the baigan. Baigan cooking, garlic cooking. Onto the fire. Next one. Onto the fire. Now every 2 minutes or so, you will just give the baigan a turn. And you will repeat until it finish. So we're looking for a nice char on the pepper, as you could see. But it needs a little more cooking. This is just an example. Yes, 10 minutes inside. Ready condition already. Juicing. Few more minutes. And it's good to go. Yes. Who say Baigan Choka this morning? Pepper them. Coming out real nice. Few more minutes, guys. I'll be good. The homemade grill working, as you can see. Coals or firewood. Yes, people. At this time, plate outside, baigan on the plate. So we're going to take off the skin, and you would see it just now. The skin is peeled off. Nice and mushy. So how soft the garlic is. Squashing easily. Wait for the final product. Yes, earlier, final product. With a little onion, salt, and a little hot oil. This is the final product. All on the outside grill. Made by yours truly, learning with Danny. Remember, this is portable. Handle could come off, the grill could come off, the tub could come off, so you could transport it easy. This is the outcome.